Did you know that nearly 80% of people abandon their goals within the first month of starting them? Whether it's fitness, self-care, academics, or building a business, consistency remains one of the biggest challenges for everyone. But what if I told you there's a way to break that cycle and finally make lasting progress in your life? In today's video, I'll walk you through the secrets to mastering consistency and how you can transform your habits to achieve your dreams. Whether you're struggling to stay fit, manage stress, or reach your academic goals, these tips apply to all areas of life. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to stay on track and see real results. Let's start with the biggest hurdle: starting small. Most people aim too high at the beginning, expecting massive changes overnight. But the secret is starting with something so small, it's almost impossible to fail. For example, if you're trying to get fit, don't aim for a 2-hour workout every day. Start with just 10 minutes. Once it becomes a habit, you can build on that success. Next is the power of accountability. Studies show that people who share their goals with someone else are 65% more likely to achieve them. Find an accountability partner, whether it's a friend, family member, or even an online community. Now let's talk about motivation. It's overrated. You heard that right, motivation comes and goes, but habits and systems are what truly matter. Develop a system that makes your desired behavior automatic. For instance, if you want to eat healthier, prep your meals in advance and remove junk food from your house. Another critical factor is celebrating small wins. Every time you hit a milestone, no matter how tiny, reward yourself. This reinforces the behavior and motivates you to keep going. And here's where I want to help you. If you're working on a specific area, like fitness, healthy eating, or even academic success, I've created resources designed to guide you step by step. My Fitness plus Healthy Eating Ebook and Student Academic Success Ebook are packed with strategies and actionable tips to help you crush your goals. Remember, consistency doesn't mean perfection. It's about showing up, even when it's hard. Miss the day. That's okay, just don't miss two. If you found these tips helpful, I'd love for you to check out my digital products linked in the description below. These are tools I personally use to stay consistent in my own life, and they've made all the difference. Call to action? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment sharing your favorite tip. Check out my digital products at the link in the description for even more guidance, and let's crush those goals together.